All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the fourth part of the motorbike build. So that being said, I did a couple things, so let me show you. All right, so as you can see here, I put on a belt guard. This was off of that rototiller we had earlier. So I kind of cut it up, made it fit nice and purty and bolted it on. And then I kind of want to put this, I'm going to cut this right here, and it's going to go like you saw it in the beginning. Next we have the exhaust. I made it go down and it's connected to the original muffler. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is go ahead, cut this off and weld it on, something like that. And then I'm going to do a little bit more touch up on the exhaust. I want to make some sort of mount for the gas tank. I want to go ahead and make another one of like these little paddles. I want to put another one right here and then on the corresponding opposite side. So let's go ahead and get to it. So I'm actually going to take this whole thing off and extend it out a little bit because your foot ends up being under the pull start a little too far and it's awkward. So here's that mechanism I was talking about. So I just bolted this on and the whole pedal comes off. And then you can just pull this whole shaft through that way. So that's nifty and helpful. So I got my gas tank all hooked up, got the shroud on, got the exhaust going. Just took it out for a ride and it is fast as hell. So on this double belt drive, this one is smaller than this side. So when I first took it for a test ride, these were flipped. So I flipped them today and made it much faster in second gear and a little bit slower in first gear. So it's actually been a couple days since that last jump cut. I went to the store and bought some wrap for exhausts on motorcycles and stuff, and I put that and wrapped it on. And I'm kind of dumb and I used zip ties and I took it for a test ride and they melted on there. So it's just gonna smell like burning plastic for a little while. So what I think I'm gonna go ahead and do is start it up and kind of just show you how the gears are working. And then I gotta tear everything down and finish up welds and then paint it. Alright, so as you might be able to see, thing runs pretty dang sweet. So now I'm just gonna break it down and finish up some things. Alright guys, so I just welded on a few gussets here and on the other side, and then I made a little chain guard. Here's the mount for that, as you saw. So pretty much the rest that I gotta do is, let me take this thing off, clean it up, you know, grind down some ugly welds. Other than that, I've still just got some things to do, paint it up, and it's good to go. Alright, so in the next video, that thing should be done, and you'll see the finished product. So, stick around. I'll see you guys next time.